2019 Toyota Tacoma double cab SR5 package. This is the entry level trim level for the Tacoma double cab. It has lots of nice features that I am excited to share with you. So first off, this guy right here is actually the block heater. Gone are the days of having it dangle out of the front grille because it's just right there. Super fantastic. You also get fog lights and nice styled alloy rims. All Tacoma double cabs that are automatic transmission feature a 6-foot bed and nice feature of easy opening. Yep, Toyota fit and finish, very nice. And even when I lower it from halfway, still opens nicely. For people that are into outdoor activities, 400-watt outlet in the back, awesome. All right, in the back, a little bit of space back here. You can also make use of more space. If you pull up on this guy, you have storage compartment here. Cool, cool. All right, let's get into the front seat. So here is just a quick look at the interior. They are cloth seats. Okay. So even though this is the entry-level Tacoma, again, still has lots of good features. Display audio will provide Bluetooth capability as well as backup camera. You can actually tell where the Tacoma ends, and the red line tells you you're 1.5 feet away from whatever's behind you. As we make our way down, here is where you can go from 2-wheel to 4x4. It does come with heated seats as well as USB audio input. Nice little storage there. And then just gonna give you just a quick look around the Tacoma. Awesome. All right. It also has all of the safety features you get in Toyota Safety Sense P, dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, as well as pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. And that there is a quick walk around on the 2019 Toyota Tacoma double cab SR5 package. Cheers.